Guys, so right now I'm making, well, my cousin is building me my dresser. And it's coming together, and it took us like decades to finally make this.
This before me. You know about this shit more than I does. Put up your first drawer. This is it right here. You see? But hold on.
Oh, why would this be slide? What's up, sunshines? I look crazy right now, but I'm at the airport, and now I'm just waiting for the flight to come and whatnot. But yeah, I'm super tired. I haven't slept literally for like the whole entire day up until now. I really look crazy, especially in this lighting. What's up, guys? So we just came in the cab and we're on our way home right now. So I just arrived to the house, and right now it's under construction, but it's looking amazing and I'm so proud of it. Hey guys, this is gonna be really fun. I only came here one time, and this time we didn't really do much, and I broke out into hives like crazy. Like, it was so bad. I was itching from head to toe, like my skin was just burning. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen this time. Oh my god, that is so pretty, guys. Look at this chandelier. Yeah. And oh, so this is something that we made for my grandma for Christmas. And right. What's up, guys? Right now I'm by the water with my cousins and them. Probably gonna come back you guys later. And yeah, when I actually have something to do, because it's been boring right now. Good morning, guys. Happy New Year's. What did you guys do for New Year's, by the way? Or even New Year's Eve? For New Year's Eve, I literally just came to Grenada and I didn't do that much. And also, what are your goals for the new year? I'll see you guys later when I actually have something to do.
They both will dance together.
The things you're teaching her.
No, Zola's learned that on her own. She slept with Ashley and everything.
I seen that video.
Yeah, she dances with Ashley. And she be trying to go on.
She's like, Mommy's not here, so
no, she does this in front of her mother.
And her father.
She tries to go on her head top and
her father encourages her.
Acting like we single, running like we single, acting like we single.
Yo, she's that ass rude. She's not feeling it right now.
She just looks mean mugging me all day. Dance, dance.
Okay, Ashley, that's how I'm going to
Hey.
Calm down, calm down.
What's up, guys? So right now we're currently in for food, and so guys, I just want to say that I'm hyped. I just got some food cake. That is good. Hi, Diamond. Nah, we're in the bus right now.
Well, I know you don't right now. See, you talking before. I don't understand it.
Okay, guys, so right now we're waiting for the next bus at the bus stop. It's mad weird because all these people are like trying to talk to us.
I'll be with my mom, but y'all like what I used to. They don't tell me like, hi, miss. My mom will be like,
and touching you. My mom like, don't touch her. That's why I was scared. I'm like, okay.
oh, wait, my hair look crazy.
Both of ours are crazy.
Guess you can't have it all. I'll only be saying hi to them because they be getting fucking rude. Right, like, so you can't say good evening. Sorry, good evening.
That's all you wanted? Good evening? So these are the buses. Guys, we're walking down the hill. It's so freaking awkward. Yo, it's hot and my skin is burning right now. in the middle. Yo, I remember the days I could have done a split, and now I
Don't do
can't.
that. Wait, actually, I've never split in the middle before. Let's try it. I hope nobody walk in. It's about to be funny.
Oh, guys, let's see this. Hold on. Y'all not ready for this? Okay. Yo, I need to do a split again. Do you like practice, or you're just still flexible?
I just don't know how to split. I don't know why.
Yo, I need to put this on Snapchat. Hold on, stay right there. Now we're at this Bergen. It's called Bananas. Well, this club place or whatever, and it's called Bananas. And I'm with my cousin.
She's vlogging right now.
Huh? What am I doing?
You're vlogging right now in the middle of a party. Goodbye.
Yeah, so you know, I just want to let you guys.
Nobody is not fucking
I just want to let you guys know that. So
I can't concentrate because all I hear talking about is her vlog.
so that wait.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know we're human to marry that girl? Marry her anyway. Marry that girl.
Marry her. My cousin is arguing with a lady over some piece of chicken. She's like, how she wanted for $7 and it's $8. She said, I can't get 1.5 for $8. Oh my God, she's really trying to bargain right now.
That's what she gonna tell me. How are you gonna eat? That's what she gonna tell me. She gonna tell me you coulda. She's gonna say you coulda got something cheaper. Where? She gonna say you coulda bargained. She gonna be so mad at me. $8 for a piece of chicken. I mean, chicken must pull me up. Where you getting for that? Everywhere. Watch, let me in bread. I get it. Across the street from my house. What's the rest of the change?
19, so you get $1 change.
I gave you a 50.
A 50? Oh my God, I apologize.
This guy trying to rob.
Trying to rob me like. Nobody's talking to foodie.
I thought it was like 20.
I gave you a 50.
Trying to rob the woman.
I mean, I could.
You want to go and rob them girls now? How do I start going along the way robbing them? One of them.
Who trying to take now?
I say I was robbing them.
$31. That's how much you owe me. So you gotta give me 30 more.
I'll give you 30 more.
30 more.
Good morning, sunshines. Today it's Tuesday. So right now I'm just waiting to go to the beach, and yo, I hate how I don't have my phone out to vlog at like the good moment. Like, I wish I knew a lot of people out here so I could just hang out with them.
Life is a joke, guys. I want you to know that.
Yeah, if y'all in Grenada, like, please pick me up, please. I'm begging you. Like, give me some plans, anything. Guys, watch us film this. What's up, sunshines? I'm at the beach right now. We're at Grandad's beach, and it's so pretty. But I can't swim, so it doesn't even make sense being in the water. But I just went in, and I feel like I was about to tumble. So yeah, I'm not doing that. But look at my outfit, guys. Got from Fashion Nova. Yo, my cousin's watching me vlog. She's looking at me like, you're so annoying. Look. Vlogging. All honesty, I really just want food. I can't swim. Someone needs to teach me how to swim. Like, I went swimming lessons like a few times when I was younger, and it never worked. Like, my what's it called? My swimming teacher tried to drown me. So nope, never again. Not doing swimming lessons. But yeah, it's so pretty out here, and people are probably looking at me like, why is she taking videos on her phone?
It's like our hearts have intertwined, into the perfect harmony. This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you.
And may the joy continue among them in this day. We bless you, Lisa. We bless you, Kwame. We bless the kids, Zola and Jamie. And may the Lord provide his...
Let's get by the food. That's my reason why.
She's taking a video for her vlog. No, she can't stop. Listen, I have to. I'm so mad that I brought my camera. That's hilarious. Yeah, I like that one. I'm so mad that I brought my camera and I left the memory card because it was all rushing. Like, I could have took some nice pictures. It's alright. That one's not bad. Guys, this is what happened. I could have just did this myself. I could have spent money on buying nail polish. Well, whatever.
This is why I love you. This is why I love you. Because you love me.
We can't go up there.
Because there's too
We
much.
can't get up there. Because it's over there.
We were gonna see my uncle's grave, but the way it's set up and the shoes we have, it's like super muddy and it's all the way high. I know, I almost fell. I almost slipped. Yo, I need some water. What's up, guys? Welcome to the beach with the birthday.
I don't even want to wear this.
Happy birthday.
What's that? Y'all be watching his snap or not? For a little boy, he be lit. Y'all not watching.
What's up, guys? We're back on the beach. And now she wants to leave. Damn, the sun's going down. What's up, guys? We're back at the same place with the where the lady makes the beading and stuff. And my cousin here, she just turned 19 yesterday.
Big nasty 19.
I don't. Yeah, you're annoying. But yeah, so we're here, and she's just getting her her anklet.
Yeah.
Her anklet fixed because it was too big. I have to go back to the jewelry place that we went to because basically my mom, the necklace that she had that was just like this, it popped, and she literally just paid like mad money for it. So yeah, now I'm just returning it. I hope that she left the receipt in there. Matter of fact, I didn't check, but we're gonna see. And then another thing is that I have to get my nails done because yo, when the lady did my nails, when she did the gel, it only lasted one day. Like, that's not cool. That's not cool at all. So it happens, and wow, my skin looks so like shiny today.
Maybe have somebody inside.
What's up, sunshines? Today is the day that we're going, and I decided to just give you guys a tour. and stuff. And I look crazy right now, so that's why I'm not showing you my whole entire face. But yeah. I'll see you guys when I get to New York.
Oh, this one.